lift servos. Oh, Otis.
Going up.
Got up to level 4. Lift number R5, maximum load 1900 kilos, 28 persons, do a cab view.
Floor.
Blue Dewhurst US95-AB. Quite interestingly, the white Dewhurst buttons, the level 4 button is a different font. Stopping at level 2. Going down.
Going down.
Level 1. Going down.
Going down. Basement 2.
Are you going down or up?
Up. It's gone down a bit.
It's going down first.
Basement 3.
We'll end it on level 3. Basement 2.
Going up. Going up. Second floor.
Which floor are you going up to?
Next one.
Level 3?
Yeah.
Third floor.
Have a nice day.
Going down.
There they are. There it goes. That's it.